Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson. Today I'll be saying Yo Gabba Gabba Treehouse Party by the sounds of Clubhouse episode. Let's get to this.
Hey everyone! The Super Music Friends Show is on!
Let's all have a treehouse party with the sounds.
Welcome to my treehouse, up in the branches, behind the leaves. My secret kinda climb up a ladder, get the secret not everyone is invited. So come on home, treehouse, a party in my treehouse. Come on, a party in my treehouse, a party in my treehouse. Oh 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 oh. Up here in my tree house, I like to read books. I like to curl up and eat my lunches. Climb up the ladder, get the secret. Not everyone is invited, so come on home. Got my party in my tree house. Got my party in my tree house. To the party in my tree house. Oh 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 oh. Got my party in my tree house. Got my party in my tree house. To the party in my tree house. Oh! Whoa! Yeah! Wahoo! Listening and dancing to music is awesome. You're right, DJ Lance. It is the Super Music Friend Show is awesome. Thanks for watching. I watched the Yo Gabba Gabba Clubhouse episode as a kid.